we're using the wrong tool. We are using the Torx because I don't have any metric. So I'm shipping my tools overseas right now. They're all missing. Half of them are. So remind me, send me a text message, send me a comment saying, "Hey, Steve, don't forget to buy metric Allen wrenches." It's tight, but definitely the wrong tool. All right, we're gonna come back to this. Tighten it at a later date. Oh my god, it's going by so much smoother. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna install these brass ones. You guys ever done this before? 27 metric, right? This is metric, yeah. Craftsman socket. I'm just gonna get the extension, pound this baby in. This is when things get nasty. This is what we have to use Loctite. We're gonna put some Loctite on the plugs, and we're gonna pound it into place. And we have 6 to do. There are 3 holes on this side and 3 holes on that side. Put this. Ooh, this is hot. We got some Loctite, medium strength. Yep. I had a funny feeling we had. It's already coming out. Ooh. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Oh yeah, I'm happy you were here to watch me do this. I should rebuild the entire engine for all of this live stream to see. Anyways, now we're down to the second freeze plug. Nice. A few more taps. Woo, woo. Nice and smooth. Very nice. Very nice. And TikTok still doesn't want to learn shit about rebuilding engines. All they want to do is dance. YouTube, on the other hand, I appreciate you guys. What? Hooked! Freaking hooked! Damn! Been a long time. Dawn's Manufactory picked me up the other day. Did you see that, Hooked? From the airport. He picked me up midnight. Picked me up at midnight. My flight was delayed. It was supposed to get in at 9. He picked me up at midnight. And, you know, his car on YouTube it's, you know, a Mustang. But, man, when you see this car in person, oh, holy shit. It's a nice car. It is a nice car. Yamaha, have you been riding it? Interesting. But have you tried it? Put 4-stroke in it, see what happens. I'm just kidding. I bet that thing rips. What's the CC of that? It's probably like 400, right? But I bet that thing just RPM through the roof. Ooh, how you damage. That's how you damage shit.